if your refrigerator crisper drawer is cracked or broken. This POOLKEY upgraded W11162443 replacement might be your fridge's new best friend. It's a perfect fit for many Whirlpool models, like the WRS325SDHZ and WRS315SDHZ. This drawer brings new life to your fridge's organization. Think of it as a fresh start for your fruits and vegetables. It's a direct replacement for the Whirlpool Fridge Crisper W11046494. Therefore, it slips right in. Furthermore, installation is simple. Moreover, no tools are needed. This crisper drawer feels sturdy. It's built to last. Many people appreciate its clear design. You can easily see your produce. This helps reduce food waste. Ultimately, it keeps your greens crisp and fresh. This is because it maintains proper humidity, so your produce stays delicious longer. It's truly an upgrade. Furthermore, it directly replaces the Whirlpool Fridge Crisper W11046494. In addition, it functions identically. Thus, you get original performance. Overall, this POOLKEY crisper drawer is a smart purchase. It offers excellent value. It makes your old fridge feel new. Replacing a broken drawer is simple. This drawer is reliable. It's also very functional. It's a good solution. The Whirlpool Fridge Crisper W11046494 will be sorely missed. However, this replacement fills that void perfectly. It's a small change. Nevertheless, it makes a big difference. Buy it with confidence. You won't regret it. Pros: good sound quality, value for money, easy to connect, long battery life, compact and portable. Solid build quality, works well with Echo Dot, clear audio at most volumes, simple. Attractive design, built-in microphone for calls. Cons: doesn't glide easily, can expose you to chemicals, too light for precision, not ideal for gaming. Durability concerns. Features: POOLKEY upgraded W11162443 replacement, refrigerator crisper drawer, compatible with Whirlpool Crisper Drawer W11046494. Whirlpool Fridge Drawer replaces WRS325SDHZ, replaces WRS315SDHZ, replaces WRS325SDHZ. Easy to install. The POOLKEY upgraded W11162443 crisper drawer is a replacement part for Whirlpool refrigerators. It fits models like WRS325SDHZ, WRS315SDHZ, and WRS325SDHZ. This crisper drawer replaces the Whirlpool W11046494 and is easy to install. The POOLKEY upgraded W11162443 refrigerator crisper drawer is a replacement drawer that's compatible with several Whirlpool models, including the WRS325SDHZ and WRS315SDHZ. This crisper drawer offers good sound quality, is a great value for money, and is easy to connect. It also features long battery life, a compact and portable design, and solid build quality. It works well with the Echo Dot, provides clear audio at most volumes, and has a simple, attractive design with a built-in microphone for calls. However, some users have noted that it doesn't glide easily, can expose you to chemicals, is too light for precision, and not ideal for gaming, leading to some durability concerns.